Okay, it's starting to turn white. Okay, this is the white one.
Yeah, I had to mix up some more seasoning.
Show the video of the seasoning. That's our seasoning right there. Okay, so I'm burning the fat. Oh no, that's a big chunk. I might need a different type of spatula. Can I have a different type of spatula?
No, it's fine.
Because the plastic.
Ain't nothing wrong with the plastic. Just don't leave it sit on the pan.
Like whenever I try and flip it, like Worcestershire sauce, put a ton of that crap. Yes.
Watch out, move that. Okay. Get this off the side.
Alright, what's this?
Hold on. So. I want to get some of this in the Worcester. Flip it over in the Worcester sauce.
Okay, and then after you do the
Yeah, then you can take
I really want to do this like every day.
So you become like a master cook?
Yeah, because
You want to be a chef?
no, I just want to cook dinner because it's fun.
Yeah.
Guess what I want to do?
What?
Save children from fires.
Be a firefighter?
Yeah, can I do that?
Yep. Hold on. I'm just gonna go around real quick. Okay, now you can take over. I'm gonna sprinkle the seasoning in. Hold on.
Are you gonna put all that on?
Yep.
Might as well just dump the whole thing.
I spread it out so it gets everywhere.
Whenever I mix it up, it does go everywhere.
Not really.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Okay, now you can chop, 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 mix, mix, mix.
Chop, 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 chop. Whopper, whopper,
Good job
whopper.
doing your dishes. That was a good job.
There's only a couple dishes. Whopper, 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 do your double, triple, whopper. Pineapple tablespoon.
We should drive dinner to Daddy.
Oh,
His work. Or you can stay here.
I can't stay here.
Stay here while I take it. Or you can have to come with me. So you can't tell him.
Have it your way. So this is the fat, guys. Oh, there's liquid right here.
What the hell? If you drop stuff out, you need to tell me.
That was a huge blob, though. There ain't no way you're saving that. Well, I'm done.
You're not done. You're silly.
Trey says that I'm not funny.
You are funny.
Not whenever I do. Little do my subscribers know. I am Baby Grinch. That YouTuber. I'm the YouTuber Baby Grinch with 1 million subscribers on another channel. So this is how Taco Bell does this? Okay, so how much percent do I have? Perfect toppers, BK. Have it your way. Green's singing. I don't get why he doesn't like us.
This
to
is
sing.
not clean.
That's not clean.
You go. It was in the clean dishes, but it was not clean.
I swear I cleaned that.
Must have missed it.
Can I drizzle this liquid?
Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess.
I won't. Should I turn the heat down a little?
Yeah.
Into what?
Lower than medium.
To 4?
Yeah. May help a little. Just check it out. I just flip everything over and then I give it a little choppy chop.
Oh, can I turn it down a little? Ow!
It's on my shirt.
That stings me. Burns. Do I not have to do any dishes today, you know? Let me do this, and then you see that stuff? I swear if I drop my phone. Facebook perfect toppers, I need this day. Okay. Okay, I think it's done.
Okay, turn it off.
Okay. Frank will take the perfect toppers. I will be.
So do you want to show your video, you making the taco, putting the meat on the chips?
Yes. Guys, this is how I put the meat on the chips. Yes, you guys can see. I burnt myself.
Don't put too much on. Last time you wasted some. Okay, that's good. That's more than enough. And then you stir it in. That's more than enough, Danny.
That is not.
That is more than enough. You're never gonna eat that much.
Huh?
Okay, and then you put the cheese on. And then put the cheese. Put that down. And put the cheese on.
Yep.
Stick it on there. Over here.
Pizza.
Now you want to put the sauce on?
That hurt.
Okay.
Okay. This is the final product.
Taco salad.
My taco salad. Hot sauce.